everybody, this is Bishop Brad coming to you for a Texas review, a breakfast taco Texas review for all of you on YouTube national television. Fact. Today, I'm doing a sauce from REVTOMMY2TONE, baby. Y'all may know him as Tom Salter, coming straight out of Alabama, baby. Alabama, Crimson Tide. Fact. He's done a line of sauces, and the first sauce he ever sent me was a chocolate habanero mango that I absolutely fell in love with, and to this day is still my #1 darn hot sauce I've ever had in this game. But he sent me a line of his sauces, and this one is REVTOMMY2TONE'S 4 in the fiery furnace hot sauce. Says Daniel 3:130. Now, let me say this to you. Let me read these ingredients off to your butts. Chocolate habanero chilies, pineapple, mango, tomatoes, roasted garlic, onions, rice vinegar, distilled vinegar, water, red Cayenne chilies, red jalapeno chilies, and Mediterranean sea salt. Look at the color of this sauce, baby. I love that color. That color is pretty. I love yellowish orangish sauces. It's just something about the eyes. Now, what I got today is I got some eggs cooked straight from some Texan chickens, boy. Y'all may hear the chickens roosting in my background in my videos. This is their eggs. A little bit more healthier from what I gather. But I take care of them so they take care of me. I told you they make me breakfast now. I also got some Texas mesquite sausage, boy. Cooked by mesquite straight out of Texas. Fact. I got eggs. I got sausage. And what I got me is some good old tortillas, boy. You know, thank gosh for the Hispanic culture. I thank gosh. I think the best food in the entire world's Mexican food. If it wasn't for them, my ass would be eating hot dogs and hamburgers all the time. Fact. Now, what I'm going to do, boy, is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take some of these eggs, and I'm going to rub them up on there, just like that. Got me some eggs. Now, what I'm also going to do, boy, is take me some good old mesquite sausage. I'm going to put it up on there like that. And you can't forget your Mexican blend of cheddar, Monterey, and Jack, and about a few other kinds. And what I'm going to do, boy, is I'm going to sprinkle that cheddar cheese all up on that taco, baby. Now, the moment we've been waiting for, REVTOMMY2TONE'S 4 in the fiery furnace of hot sauce. Daniel 3:130. Alright, boy. Come on. On aroma. Smells fresh. Smells good. Alright, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and taste this on aroma. I'd give it a 2.5 on aroma. On artwork, I love the simplicity. I love what Tommy's doing. When you can mix God with hot sauce, boy, you got my attention, I swear. Bam! Tommy, I love it! Here we go, boy. I don't give a dang how much it is, it's good. Here we go. Tommy, I gotta say, I love the sweetness of it, baby. I love the sweetness you got going. What I love is the sauce has 2 different types of vinegars in it. But you don't taste any one of them dang things. Of course, the pineapple, the mango brings out the sweetness in it. Holy crap, Tommy! Tommy! Ma'am! On flavor. I give it a 4.5. I give it a 4.5 on flavor. And if you don't believe me, contact Tommy, boy. Let him send you this sauce and you'll see what I darn mean. Fat! Tommy coming straight out of Alabama. Preaching the Word of God. Loving his Pittsburgh Steelers and his Crimson Tide. Making darn good hot sauce. Ma'am. You know a hot sauce is good when not only you can eat your taco with it, but you can use the hot sauce as a drink to wash it down with. That little munchkin man running all over the building over there. I want to say this to all of you. This is Bishop Brad on punch. Not much punch, and that makes it a good thing. The best sauces I ever have are the ones that just blow you up. This sauce on punch, I'd give it a 2. Actually, let me retract that. I'd give it a 1.5 solid. What makes it good is anybody can have that hot sauce, okay? That is what makes a hot sauce good. I'm thirsty. Give me a minute. I love the way just everything blended with how you did that, Tommy. You're 2 for 2, baby. You got a good thing going. Y'all can contact Tommy on Facebook. Go to Tom Salter. S-A-L-T-E-R, Tom Salter. If y'all can't locate him, you can't find him, go to my Facebook. Find him there. You can see his videos he does. He is a reviewer for iloveitspicy.com. Hold on, I'm thirsty. Tommy, that's good, baby! Boom! Y'all go to youtube.com/user/REVTOMMY2TONE. Check out all his videos. This is Bishop Brad on your overall rating, Tom. And for all of you out there, y'all need to contact Mr. Tom Salter. This is some good stuff. I know he's got plans in the work for what he wants to do. And he's got to do what he's got to do in order to get it there. He's in that process right now. I want that man to have a train of momentum. When it's time to unleash the fury of God all over your jelly-head butts. This is Bishop Brad coming to you for your Texas Cowboy review on the 4 Fiery Furnace Hot Sauce by REVTOMMY2TONE. Overall hot sauce. I'd give the dang thing a 4. Solid 4. See y'all soon on the next review, baby.